Hey, what's up? This is Scott with Level Up Tuts, and today I'm going to start a new series, and it's going to be a series about creating a theme for your site, and it's going to be using things like Sass. So I'll show you how to integrate Sass into your Drupal installation, and if you don't want to use Sass, you can just use CSS, it's fine. I'll show you how to incorporate things like CoffeeScript, and really you're just going to be building a theme from sort of scratch. But it's going to be completely responsive, so it'll look great on mobile sites. It's going to basically give you the tools you need to create a theme pretty much to whatever your heart desires. And we're going to be using Omega as a base theme. And what base themes do is they often provide a set of tools or a set of parameters that you would have in place for a theme that you wouldn't want to redo every single time. There's several other base themes. If we look at Drupal project.org themes, you'll see that the first one is Zen, which is a theme a lot of people use for as a base theme as well. And you can see that the latest version of Zen now uses HTML5. It's responsive, has mobile first, integrates Sass and Compass, and the very second most downloaded one is Omega. There's also Adaptive Theme. If we keep going down, there's Fusion. And then now we get to these. These are some sort of themes that aren't really being used as base themes, like Marinelli and Danlin. These are sort of a theme that you would install because you like the way it looks and maybe you want to tweak it or something. But I would always pretty much recommend starting off with some sort of blank slate theme. And when you install Omega, it's really just going to give you a blank website, but what it's going to give you is tools. So if we go to my website here, some of these tools is like this debug here. So we click this grid button, it's going to show you the grid that the site is built on. And this uses the 960 grid. However, you can tweak it however you'd like. And then if we click this blocks, it's not going to show you all the different block areas you can have. Some mine are tweaked a little bit, but in Omega, there's an interface to going and setting the width and the position and what these blocks all are so that you can have complete control. And you click this button, you can see where everything is. It gets you a little bit more of an idea of how this site's working out. And now, if I inspect this, you'll see something. When I move this, you'll watch this grid adjust. So it's going to resize at the media queries. So these breakpoints are going to be how the site resizes for different devices. Mine's not doing a whole ton of craziness other than maybe shrinking in size a little bit, but once we take it to the mobile, it changes quite a bit. Let me turn off some of this debugging stuff. And so this is what the mobile site looks like if you're coming to it at anything narrower than whatever. I think it might be 480 or something. I'm not exactly positive offhand. But so these are the sort of things that Omega makes really easily possible. And what you want to do in these sort of situations, we're going to be building with the mobile first philosophy, and you're going to be creating the theme for your mobile style sheet first, and then we'll move into how you can tweak it for the next size up, and you can have as many breakpoints as you want. So if you're interested in learning how to build a mobile site in Drupal using Omega as a base theme, please continue. In the next video, we're going to get started by installing Omega, and I'll show you how to make a sub-theme, okay? As always, if you have any questions, this is Scott with Level Up Tuts, and thanks for watching.